Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Immigrant Goes Crazy and Gets Arrested at Her First Job.
This girl threw the fire extinguisher at me, bro.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to an aggravated assault at a local McDonald's.
Are they yelling in there? Yeah. Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you pull up that way? Hey! Where are they? Where are they?
They in the back.
Are they still throwing stuff?
No.
Are they still throwing stuff?
No.
All right, I'll come on. Okay, great. I'm 10-4. Wait for the suspect. I'm 10-12 with both employees.
Are you the one that...
So if I come outside, if you touch me, if I defend myself, if you touch me, I got the right to defend myself.
Come on. What happened?
Okay, so I'm sitting down, right? First of all,
Who called 911? Okay.
yeah. First of all, right? The thing go like this. She already told me she'll beat my ass, this, that, whatever.
Okay.
So I ignore her.
Okay.
Cause I know the law, right? So I heard her say I should beat her ass. I could have run out the door and fag her, but I said no. I know self-defense. If she hit me, I got the right to defend myself, right? This girl threw the fire extinguisher at me, bro.
Okay. Where were you when...
In the office.
K925, you check.
We're 10-4, 10-12. Sorry, they're all screaming.
Oh my goodness.
10-4.
Yeah, and then what makes so bad about it? I'm trying to be easy because I just got her federal papers, right?
Okay.
So she come right here and she do like this.
She pushed... You were standing?
Yeah.
She pushed... Okay.
Yeah, so my thing is, if she swung, I got the right to take off.
Yep.
You feel what I'm saying? Because that's defending myself.
Yep.
Now, if I just go out there and just start fighting her, they're going to say both of us was wrong.
Yeah.
Both of us go to jail.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to do that.
Okay.
So like I told her, I'm not trying to get to her, but if she come and hit me, I'm going to give it to her.
Okay.
So,
Where was this? How did she
this
get
was
this?
right here.
Okay.
And she picked it up, and she threw it, but he caught it right here.
Okay, so she picked it up here and tried to throw it
Yeah,
at you? Okay.
yeah.
And another employee stopped her?
The manager, both, but the thing is about it, right? It started off over something so petty.
That occurred last night, 420 West Line Street, Philadelphia, 27336.
It's so petty. Something over so petty, right?
Do you want to press charges? Do you want her to go to jail?
I'm gonna tell you, this is a tough decision, right? Because she is somebody who has been in the system, right? The lady that right here that's explaining the story. She's a woman who's been in the system, so she doesn't want to be like, yeah, I want her to go to jail, or yeah, I want to, she doesn't want to be responsible for somebody putting somebody in jail. And a lot of people who have been locked up think that way. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't want to be a snitch and all of that. Like that all plays a factor. So it's like, I could look at her and be like, okay, she's somebody that probably has messed up, been messing up or whatever, and she's trying to turn over a new leaf, right? She just said, she got off of federal papers, which is parole or, stuff like that. So, she's been doing right and on the right path. And it's like, the devil come and try to knock you off your pivot. You know what I mean? And this is one of those situations because it's natural. somebody getting in your face, somebody hollering at you, yada, yada. You know what I'm saying? You may not necessarily wait for somebody to put their hands on you. You might take off first. You know, like, it's just like, it's like one of these, right? Somebody is threatening you or whatever, and you might actually really be in fear for your life. Are you going to wait for them to do something to you, or are you going to stop the threat before it even becomes a situation? You see? So, and that's, I could look at her and be like, that's what she's thinking in her head. It's like, man, I've been doing so good. And it's like, why is this happening? And so, yeah, it's tough. It's definitely tough.
Can I ask this man out there something right quick?
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud.
No. I'm talking to one at the table.
But don't go out there because she's out there.
No, she outside.
Yeah, just don't go out there. Because I don't want
to
her
the
to.
lobby and talk to somebody.
Come here. I need to speak with you. Come here. Stop! Stop your shit! Listen, you're gonna go right to the fucking ground if you keep doing this shit. Stop!
Slap me? Oh, you! I'm gonna do voodoo on your asshole. You're gonna die. You're gonna die, bitch. You're gonna die.
I have no weapons on you. We're just patting you down.
She must be Haitian. Once they say that voodoo stuff, that's Haitians.
Okay.
Immigrant from Haiti.
You out of my fucking hands, bitch! You out of my fucking hands! Let me go! Let me go! Let me go! I didn't do nothing. Why are you guys doing this to me?
See, the thing is about it, I'm not no nasty person, but when I tried to nip it in the bud early, they supposed to have listed. You feel what I'm saying? Because I feel like, I don't care if you're white, black, Puerto Rican, Spanish, when we cut, you cut the same blood. There's no such thing as Haitian better than American. You feel what I'm saying?
I knew it. I knew it. Haitian, I knew it. Soon as she said the voodoo, Haitian. That's Haitian all the way. Like that, I knew it. So now, you know, because there is a thing where like, you know, like, because one of my best friends is Haitian. You know what I'm saying? But it is a thing where it's like Haitians think of you know, Americans different, you know, and they have different words for like Americans and stuff. Like it is a thing. It is. I knew it. Haitian. I knew it.
This is how the whole thing started. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. She didn't, to be honest, she pushed, but I'm not hurt. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, but she still can't put her hands on you. That's not okay.
Right now, can I ask y'all a question?
Yeah.
Who was the one who took her out of here?
Well, I tried talking to her and then she ran out. That was me.
Okay, so if I said I want to press charges, I know she'll go to jail. If I said I don't want to press charges, will she still go to jail?
Are you guys related?
Yeah. She related to you?
No.
Are you just coworkers?
No.
Yeah, then no. Then she won't go to jail.
What
I'm gonna press charges. Reason why I say that, because reason why I'm gonna say that, and I'm putting it like this right here. The reason why I'm gonna go ahead and do it, because they have to stop and they have to end somewhere. And by me saying, okay, just let her go, it'll keep happening. Go ahead and take her to jail. She got to learn this.
Yep.
No,
It's a tough
go ahead,
choice.
Go ahead and take her to jail, because she throw the fire screen back.
You know how old she is?
She like 26. Let me call
Okay,
my
do you have any identification for her from your employee record?
Yes, let me go back this.
In the end, 18-year-old Jennifer was charged with battery and resisting an officer without violence. About 3.5 months later, the case was dropped. If you like this video and want to see more like
it. Case dropped. Oh my God. Yo, the more I watch these body cam videos and learn about, you know, the criminal justice system, the more I'm like, damn, this is why stuff keeps happening. There's no repercussions. So we can't get mad. How can we get mad that people are committing crimes and they're repeat offenders and they're doing this and doing that when they actually do get caught or in trouble? There's no repercussions. None. So they're just gonna commit more crimes. Like what? Oh. Case dropped. Imagine that. Anyway, I think the officers did a good job, man. I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I can't believe it. The case dropped.